Hey guys, it's Melissa here and welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't done a beauty video in a long time, so I wanted to bring it back and to give you guys an updated video on how I do my daily makeup. So it's somewhat similar to my old version, but some things I've changed, some things I've kept the same or made it similar. But without further ado, let's just jump right into it. To prep my face, I start by washing my face with some CeraVe facial cleanser, and then I go ahead with some toner, and then put my almond oil as my moisturizer, and then I use some bio oil to go onto my acne scars to reduce the appearance of them over time, and then I lastly go with some Nature Republic Sun Gel sunscreen to protect my skin from the harsh UV rays. For my primers, I like to either use the Master Prime by Face Studio or the Stila One Step Correct, and I've been using Stila One Correct in the past and I like this one, so I'm going to use it today. And then I'm going to go in with either the IT CC cream or the e.l.f. BB cream, but today I'm going to go with the IT CC cream, and I'm just going to blend this with my brush. Whenever you're using your fingers to blend anything, you just want to make sure that they're clean. When choosing which BB cream or CC cream to use, I usually use the IT CC cream when I want a full coverage, and when I have those good skin days, I'll use the e.l.f. BB cream because it's more of a sheer type of coverage. Also, don't forget to do part of your neck because the neck is what tells your age. Now I'm going to go in with my NARS concealer, and I'm just going to mark the spots that I need to cover up more. So like these are my acne or my acne scars that are just more darker. And then after I mark them, then I'll go ahead and just blend them. Next I'm going to go in with my Hourglass setting powder, and I'm just going to put this all over my face to set in all of the base layers that we have done already. Next, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, and I'm just going to line the front part of my eyebrow and blend that, and then do the arch and blend that, and I only do that because those are my two troubled areas, and I find that the middle of my eyebrow is strong on its own, so it's really just filling in, making it even. Now I'm going to use my Naked 3 by Urban Decay palette, and I'm going to use the Trick color, which is like a gold shimmery color, and I'm just going to go with this all over my eye. Then I'm going to go in with my Tweezerman eyelash curler, and I usually hold it for 3 to 5 seconds. And then I'm going to use my Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express Waterproof mascara and just apply that into my lashes. And the last step is to apply my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and a little goes a long way. So that is all for this makeup look, and I hope you guys liked it. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and comment any videos you guys would like to see next. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye. Love ya.